Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing well. I'm feeling great because I'm here with my favorite candle, as you can see, by Sand and Fog. And this is one of their larger candles. It's a soy wax blend and it's mango and tangerine. And if you guys are looking to do things during this pandemic and quarantine, obviously, you know, relaxation, I think, comes to mind. If you're reading a book or you're about to eat dinner, this is a great way to kind of set the mood, get you relaxed, and get your mind off everything that's really going on and trying to stay healthy and improve your mental well-being. So I love to light candles, and I love when they're scented, a little bit citrusy, tangy, because I feel like that's what gets my mood going and actually puts me in a happier state of mind. So I really love all of Sand and Fog's candles because it's a soy wax blend. It definitely burns a lot longer than normal candles. And I also love the color, this peach Bellini color. So definitely check this candle out. It smells amazing. And if you actually want to purchase it, I have attached the link below this video. Comment, let us know if you like the candle and what you think of the brand. Don't forget to check out our playlist where we have categorized videos for hair products, skincare, cooking, anything that you're probably looking for. You can find it in the playlist categories. So don't forget to check that out. If you continue to enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks so much for your time. Hope you guys stay happy and well. Bye now.